Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. I love you all and you love us so beautiful, so amazing designs. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning, very embellished designs, very attractive videos, just looking so gorgeous videos we have to share with you. We have shared newly things and newly attractive designs. For more creative videos, just amazing videos, and this video is it's all about the crochet top blouses designs. We have to share newly things, newly attractive designs, give more fabulous videos, just looking so gorgeous designs I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly designs of crochet top blouses for carry these summer, winters. Are there more amazing videos and more fabulous designs? Keep watching, stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing and stay gorgeous designs. Just looking so amazing videos I have shared with you. Basically newly designs, just so amazing videos and more fabulous designs, and I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly attractive designs and more creative things. For different patterns we have to share with newly ideas and so some things, say some things, and just looking so amazing videos, and we are share newly creative designs, newly things and different patterns. It's totally show you, you can show with newly things for you and more YouTube family. I hope so. In this video it's totally your choice, and next video it's related for any patterns. I am waiting for these patterns videos name or comments below. I hope so that this video are amazing, are helpful for you, and more stunning videos, more creative designs, and just looking so say something. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, in all these designs, all these newly videos.